The Food Service Exchange presents.
To access the refrigeration components, first remove the refrigeration system from the unit, as described in the video, Removing and Replacing the Refrigeration System. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws on the top of the shell bottom assembly, then remove the shell bottom assembly. To remove the 25-watt condenser fan motor, remove the 2 3/8-inch hex head nuts on each side of the motor. Lift up on the panel above the motor and slide the fan motor out. To remove the evaporator fan motors, first remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the top panel, then the 4 screws across the bottom of the fan housing, using a Phillips head screwdriver and extension. The entire fan assembly can then be lifted for access to the fan motor brackets. To replace the condensate loop, use a brazing torch to disconnect the braze joints at the condenser and the outlet of the compressor. Remove the screws on the evaporation drain plate. Remove the screws for the plastic strips, which are hidden under silicone sealer. Remove the plastic strips in the condensate pan. The old condensate loop can now be lifted out. Install the new condensate loop and complete the system using standard refrigeration practices.